Planning a trip to India? Let me help you with everything you need to know about the Indian eVisa. The Indian eVisa is an electronic travel authorization issued by the Government of India. It's a super easy way for travelers from 170 plus countries, which includes UK, USA, Canada, Australia, to visit India without going to an embassy or consulate. Now, whether you are coming for tourism, business, or conference, or medical purposes, the Indian eVisa has got you covered. Validity. It's valid for up to 5 years, depending on the type of eVisa you choose. Entry points. You can enter through 29 designated airports and 5 seaports across India. How to apply? It's super simple. Just go online, open the official website, fill the application form, upload your documents, and pay the fee. Once approved, your eVisa will be sent to your email. Easy, right? Here is something important to keep in mind. Your Indian eVisa can neither be extended nor be converted to any other type. So make sure to plan your trip carefully. For a safe and secure application, always use the official website, that is indianvisaonline.gov.in. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share with your travel buddies, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips to make your Indian adventure fun. Bye bye.